Welcome back. It is past Halloween. October is over and it's November, and that means that the holidays are unavoidable. They're here. There's nothing we can do to get away from them, so we're just going to embrace them. We're on the downward slope to Christmas, and you and I both know how fast it's going to go, so let's try to have some fun with it. It's week 4 of the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas, and let's go ahead and find out what this week's fiber gift is. Ta-da! First of all, it comes in a cute little drawstring bag that you could use for jewelry or whatever you wanted to hide from your kids later. On the inside of the bag is this. It is the Casa Merengo Ornament Kit, and it's really cute. You get a tree, a star, a bell, and an ornament. So also in the kit comes, you get felt backing for each one in red or green. You get string to sew it on with, 2 little needles, a tiny adorable beader that I would use as an ornament myself because that is really cute, and some glue to make sure it's all together and held, in one piece well. This is a great little kit to do with kids or at your desk at work if you're feeling unmotivated. We never do that here though. We never do crafts at our desks, ever. But it's great for giving, it's great for getting, it's great for doing together. It's a nice little family activity, and we hope that you will like it too. You can click on the link and it'll take you straight to the webpage. Don't forget to enter to win a free one on the Facebook contest. And that's it. I guess we'll see you next week. Happy crafting with this cute little beader especially.